What are some of the key strategies when it comes to real estate investment? Firstly, your property should be a revenue-generating asset from ongoing rentals. This can be maximized by choosing a property with the best earning potential, with key considerations like its location, its on-site amenities and facilities, design and build quality. Branded residences or gated complexes with collective rental management often produce the highest returns through rental revenue. Secondly, your property should increase in value over time. Land values in Bali have a very high rate of increase compared to other parts of the world. However, it's important to understand the local market, as prices vary greatly. Purchasing an off-plan property is an excellent strategy, as its value can increase up to 40% upon completion. Contact us today to learn more about investing in Bali property.